Hey guys, it's me, Brittany here, and this is my first video. Basically, I'm just gonna do a car tour. I own a 2014 Volkswagen Beetle Candy White. Her name is Lilian, aka Lilybug. So I'm just gonna do a walk around of the car. It's gonna be so awkward, I swear. Oh my goodness, the license plate. Okay. I'm gonna get the key. These are my keys, by the way. Okay, so we have the inside. Basically, I have my Hello Kitty mats, which are a little dirty, so please excuse those. I have my Hello Kitty mat on each side and some flowers that I like to put. I mean, they're fake, by the way. Some flowers that I put up for decoration. My little dice. Cotton candy car scent. My little flower vase, which does not come with the 2012 and up Beetles. But I wanted one because I had an old 2006 Beetle. These 2 cups that my mom put in here because she does not know how to take out her junk. And some hand sanitizer, lemon hand sanitizer. Vanilla body spray. What is this? This is a ticket from when I went to the art museum with my boyfriend in Atlanta. Okay, and this is my little Hello Kitty thing I bought. You're supposed to put on the dash, but she would not stay on the dash. And this is a game card from when me and my boyfriend went to the arcade in Atlanta. When we went to the aquarium in Atlanta, which was really fun. Gas receipt. The steering wheel. What's over here? These are my work schedule papers for what days I go in for work and how many hours. Some deodorant, just in case I forget to put on deodorant. You know, because you never know. This is where I keep my glasses. My pink hairbrush. I mean, I guess I can share with you some of the control panels. I don't have heated seats. If I was to have heated seats, they would go by this one and this one. But my car is a base model, so they don't come with the heated seats, which is fine with me because the Beetle is my dream car. And as long as I have a Beetle, I'm happy. So let's see what's in the glove compartment, shall we? A little hat that I use to work out in when on a hot summer days. This is when I went and got my car fixed. They had a little issue with this. This wasn't working. More car fresheners. Rihanna Rebel Fleur. I don't know if I pronounced that right. My rosary. My Whole Foods Market tag. Cox cable bill. I mean, just junk, you know, that I don't need. Beetle, that's a cute little touch. I forgot to put my hat in there. And I forgot to show you guys on this side, I like to keep my little sunglasses because I don't really, I guess you can consider this part a sunglass holder, but I don't really keep anything in there. I like to keep my sunglasses in here. So I have these sunglasses and these glasses, which are prescription glasses, because I have trouble seeing at night. So yeah, I have all my glasses in there. Oh goodness. So this is the back seat. I mean, nothing really going on. And this is like where I put my trash on the passenger side. This is like, my seats are a little nasty looking because I have a big dog and he slobbers a lot, so I definitely have to clean that. And this is where I keep his dog cup. If he gets thirsty, he can drink a little water. This is where I keep his leash when we go for walks. Walks on like the lakefront. So now let me get out. I mean, basically, I don't have a lot going on in this Beetle. Favorite thing I could say about my Beetle is the room. Like, it's much more space than like the last one. And hold on, now let me just show you the trunk. Food. Hello Kitty license plate. Steering wheel. More junk. Oh, I didn't give you guys a front view. Wait a minute.